Assalamu alaikum. Her name is Hind, and she's Ahmadi for 1.5 years.
Where is she from?
She comes from Morocco.
Morocco, acha. 1.5 years. She's the only one in her family who accepted Ahmadiyyat?
Oui, c'est ça.
Yes, she's the only
Mon
one.
mari est Ahmadi. Il s'appelle Rafat Youssouf.
Her husband is also Ahmadi, and his name is
Rafat Youssouf.
Rafas Yusuf.
Yeah.
Acha, she speaks French?
Yes, she's speaking French.
Yeah.
Do you know French?
Myself, yes, Alhamdulillah, Hazur. I know some French.
You learned French from your husband?
For my mother-in-law, I learned French. Also, she comes from Mauritius, and Alhamdulillah, I learned also in school. I had a good teacher. Alhamdulillah, may Allah bless him.
Acha, mashallah. Acha, right.
Je
Now
veux,
today, yes. What do you say?
je veux juste dua pour moi, pour ma famille, pour mon mari.
Okay. All right. Allah Ta'ala bless you. Next.